Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be making this O's Bubble Instant Boba Pack Matcha flavor. So here is all of our assembled stuff that we need. We've got our boba straw, our boba pack, measuring cup, milk, and a glass. So first thing that we're going to do is take our boba pack and a microwave safe glass. We're going to cut the edge of our boba pack just a little bit and we're going to pop this into our microwave safe glass. We're going to put this into the microwave for around 60 seconds. All right, now that it's come out of the microwave, we're just gonna take our pack of boba and just dump it right into our glass with all of our little pearls and boba mixture. There we go. Now, they recommend to add 100 to 150 cc's of milk. Now, if you go right on the in-between, around 125 cc's, that's just over 4 ounces of milk. So I'm going to do 1/2 cup of milk and a splash. Next thing, we're gonna take our boba straw and just stir this all up. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. And lastly, they recommend topping it off with some ice, so that's what we're gonna do. And your boba is ready to go. Now, if you guys wanna know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review of it and let you know if we would buy it again. In the meantime though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.